Pa-bless nga muna.
Gaano kaya kagaang yan?
Before starting the ride, what exactly are we looking at here? Bike check time! Introducing the new sworks Epic World Cup, so it comes in two colorways, either the satin chameleon or the gloss red tint. According to the Specialized website, world champ Christopher Blevin said it best, "This thing gives me everything I could want from a hardtail, plus the control and capability of full suspension, because this one has a brain, that's what they call it, automatic lockout systems for the fork and the rear suspension, and you can see the rear suspension is actually hidden, which makes it very appealing to the eyes." In off-road races, it's inevitable that it's soily and it's muddy and you're going to pick up some branches, leaves that may get stuck on your bike. So with the S-Works Epic, it comes with the SRAM XX SL transmission derailleur that has a feature called Magic Wheel, so the lower pulley keeps spinning even if an object becomes lodged. Let's go to the wheels. The rear hub and the front hub are both Roval Control SL DT Swiss. The spokes are DT Swiss Aero Light. Rims are Roval Control SL. Rear tire is Specialized Renegade Control Casing. So this is a 29er bike. The suspension fork, it is a RockShox SID SL Ultimate Brain with 110mm travel, while the rear shock is a RockShox Specialized SID Lux WCID Ultimate with a 40mm travel. Imagine you have a full suspension bike that locks out to become a hardtail bike, and then suddenly the frame weight is just 1,765 grams, including the shock absorbers and all of the hardware, which makes it lighter compared to other hardtail bikes in the market. So this translates to faster acceleration, more efficient climbing, and more agile handling. So let's see later.
Hey everyone, so right now we're headed to Mabato. It's a steep climb here. Pang-ensayo natin. Mga kasama natin, magpo-bruise ko sila. Hindi naman. Naku, warm up pa lang, no? Favorite natin, patag lang to. Yes. Nakikisama eh. Baka yung timing mamaya, doon sa pinakatuktok ko. Yung araw. Parang... double digit? Yes, double digit. Mga 25%, 27%. Yung max. Yung parang mapapapader ka. Ganun. Hindi nila sinabi sa'yo.
Ilang beses na inakit pa rin.
Hindi, isang beses pa lang.
Dito pa.
Oo.
At least hindi ka tumigil.
Tingnan natin. Kasi yung last time talaga napatigil kami. Nagulat eh. Oo. Nakakagulat lang siya. Huwag ka masindak. Yun lang. Yun. Yung ano, gravel bike. Yeah. Hindi ko alam eh. Mga kasama ko full sus. Napakanan tayo. Parang naalala ko. Okay. Yan, first ahon ng sworks epic dito sa Mabato. It's around 9 a.m. with the 5 a.m. bikers. Ay, kuting! Yun! Sulit na! Sulit na! Gising na ba ang mga legs natin? $9.20. Parang iba-iba na siya compared to before when we did it. Yo. Yun. Wala na yung daan pababa. Puro tulay na lang. Yan o. Sige. Dito na tayo sa Barangay Mabato, Calamba City. Bagal ako compared sa last time. Wala, babagalan ko lang. Naloko na ako nito dati. Madali lang to, madali lang. Budol siya. Lubhang matarik. Use load here. May lomi dito.
Ito yung mga times na papaisip ka sa sarili mo na bakit mo ba ito ginagawa? Nagpapakahirap ka and ang hirap-hirap talaga. Wala ka lang maisip kundi ang hirap and wag bumitaw. The goal of this ride was not to tukon. Basta inisip ko lang na kumapit ng kumapit kahit na gusto ko nang tumalo ng bike ko. Hanggang dito lang ako.
Ayun. Sorry na.
Sulit na sulit yung ahon pagka ganito yung view. Hi mga tappers! This video, I didn't talk as much as I would usually in my other videos. It's because I want you guys to immerse in the true beauty of Calamba area and also the Tagaytay area. Oh yeah guys, what I'm wearing here is the Roadtag shirt. Okay, so this coming Saturday, July 22, 2023, there's going to be a grand opening of the Roadtag store in Alabang, and I want to invite everyone there and hope to see you there because there's going to be breakfast buffet after this trail ride in Philinvest. So the trail ride starts at 6 a.m. and then there's going to be a whole program, ribbon cutting, blessing, and it's going to be fun to be with everyone once again. And once again, I truly want to thank all of my Facebook friends, Instagram followers, TikTok followers. Thank you so much for all of your comments, likes, shares. Drop your comments down below. What is the worst ahon experience that you had, or best? Well, you can say it's also the best experience because there are a lot of stories to tell when you're climbing, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow on this journey to the art of perfecting. See you guys soon. Bye!